Hi, in this tutorial we will create a new calculated field which will help us in searching for any substring which occurred in the string. So let's say we are searching for specific substring in all of these tweets which we published so far. So how will we achieve that? First of all, we will right click and then go to create and then go to calculated field. Then we will be shown this kind of dialog box. What you have to do is just name the calculated field anything. We are typing it as or naming it as string searcher, and then use contains and the string in which we will be searching, which would be tweet text, and comma, and then the substring. So let's say substring in this case is being skilled. We want to search for string or the tweet which has the substring being skilled in the lower caps. So when you will apply and press OK and just move that to the filters, it will show us different options. One of them is true because we want to show all the tweets which contain that substring. So select true and click on OK, and it has returned us nothing because according to Tableau it didn't have any tweets which contained being skilled in lower caps. So one of the observations is that Tableau is case sensitive, or the function is case sensitive. So if we will edit and use correct cases, so in this case we are applying being skilled like this and apply, and now it is showing us a lot of content because most of the tweets contained being skilled as the hashtag. So what you can do is you can apply lower function to both of them. So even if any of those are having any case, it would be solved. So now apply, and let's use again lower caps for being skilled. Apply. No changes because now it is showing us all the results. So what we have learned is, first of all, how to create a new calculated field. Second, how to use contains function. Third, how to make the substring and string in lowercase, specifically when you are using contains in this case, because even if the search term, which is the substring in this case over here being skilled, and from where you are searching, irrespective of whatever the case they may have, lower function or the upper function will ensure that you won't face the issue wherein the correct answer is not shown. So this is how you search for strings in your content. But let's say if you're having multiple such substrings, then you can use contains and lower and tweet text, because from there you are searching for all the substrings, and then lower bracket starts, and here let's say Ubuntu. Here in this case we want to search for all the tweets which contain these two keywords. One is open source, second is Ubuntu, and let's search for it. So it has returned a few tweets which contain both open source as well as Ubuntu. Where is Ubuntu? Over here. But just in case you want both of the keywords to be there, you have to use and apply. Then you will be shown all the tweets which contains both Debian and Ubuntu. So as you can see, Ubuntu, Debian, both. So this is how you search for terms when they are either optional. It is mandatory to have all the strings which you have mentioned. So let's say if you will copy this entire thing and you will, let's say, type Linux and apply. You cannot have this and over here because then this query is not completed correctly, and Linux is now also there. But just in case you will type, let's say, GIMP then apply. Right now we have 12 records, as you can see over here, 12. Now apply. We have got no tweet which contains all of these three keywords or strings.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on being skilled.